after conducting the reflexive thematic analysis. This is the sixth step of reflexive thematic analysis, which is producing a report, a data analysis report. So in these areas, I've just indicated what I would include, but this is where my report begins. So I begin with the data analysis section, which describes how I conducted the data analysis. For example, let me just read this paragraph. To accomplish the research objective, a reflexive thematic analysis approach was adopted to analyze the qualitative data obtained from interviewing 6 teenagers from 3 different schools across southern England. According to Brown and Clark 2020, reflexive thematic analysis is an easily accessible and theoretically flexible interpretative approach to the analysis of qualitative data, which will facilitate the identification and analysis of patterns or specific themes in a given dataset. In this study, the researcher relied on NVivo 14, a well-established qualitative data analysis tool, to conduct a reflexive thematic analysis. The reflective thematic analysis process included the following 6 steps in analyzing qualitative data. So I've included the steps of reflexive thematic analysis and the defense. So this data analysis section provides or highlights all the steps I took in conducting reflexive thematic analysis. It's important to include this in your report because it's like providing evidence of how you conducted your analysis. So you can see the initial table that we exported in Excel. I have imported it here, and you can see these are the initial codes I had. Then we have the themes that I generated, and then we have another table here containing the themes and codes combined that I generated. You can see after exporting the tables, NVivo provides you with the number of files and references, which shows that you actually took time to code your data. This is evidence that your supervisor will check to see whether you coded your data. And this is one of the main reasons why people use NVivo, because of this documentation of your coding and reflexive thematic analysis process. So you can see I've included all the tables here that I exported from NVivo. I have also included a section of description of the participants. You can see I have described the participants by gender. We exported that chart. By age, we also exported such a chart, and by school attended. So that's how you use your charts. Again, I have another table here in the start of my description of my results. So my results basically highlight the main themes that emerged, and for each theme I provide a table to substantiate. So you can see like this is the theme of ethnicity, and this table comes first, and then I start presenting the data. The interviewed teenagers provided diverse descriptions of their ethnicity, with one participant identifying as white. You can see the areas in italics represent the various excerpts, which are